Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Phani. In this video, we can talk about radical equations and their problem solving. Square root of 2x minus 3 equal to 9 is a radical equation where square root of 2x minus 3 is a radical expression. To solve this radical equation, we use the power rule. Here the index of the radical expression is 2. So raise the power 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have 2x minus 3 equal to 81. Add 3 to both sides of the equation. We have 2x equal to 84. Divide 2 to both sides of the equation. We have x equal to 42. Square root of minus 10x minus 1 plus 3x equal to 0 is a radical equation. Here square root of minus 10x minus 1 is a radical expression. To solve this radical equation, we have to isolate the radical on one side of the equation. To do this, subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. So we have square root of minus 10x minus 1 equal to minus 3x. Now using the power rule, we can eliminate the radical. Because the index of the radical is 2, so raise the power 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have minus 10x minus 1 equal to 9x square. To change this equation into standard quadratic equation, add 10x and 1 to both sides of the equation. So we have 9x square plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now factor the quadratic equation. We have 9x plus 1 times x plus 1 equal to 0. Set each factor equal to 0. We have 9x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Now solving 9x plus 1 equal to 0, we have x equal to minus 1 over 9, or solving x plus 1 equal to 0, we have x equal to minus 1. Square root of 4 minus x equal to x minus 2 is a radical equation. Here square root of 4 minus x is a radical expression. To solve this radical equation, we have to eliminate the radical. Because the index of the radical is 2, raise power 2 to both sides of the equation. So by power rule, we have 4 minus x equal to, and using the x minus 2 square, which is equal to x minus 2 times x minus 2, and using the FOIL method, we can get x square minus 4x plus 4. This can be solved by using a square minus 2ab plus b square which is equal to a minus b whole square. So either we can use FOIL method to find the value of x minus 2 whole square, or we can use a minus b whole square. So we have 4 minus x equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Now write this equation in standard quadratic equation. We have x square minus 3x equal to 0. Now factor the quadratic equation. We have x times x minus 3 equal to 0. Now set each factor equal to 0. We have x equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0, which is x equal to 3. Square root of 2x plus 5 plus square root of 2x equal to 3. This is a radical equation. To solve this radical equation, we have to write one radical on one side of the equation because there are two radical expressions. To do this, subtract square root of 2x from both sides of the equation. So we have square root of 2x plus 5 equal to 3 minus square root of 2x. Now using the power rule to eliminate the radical, here the index of this radical is 2, so raise the power 2 to both sides of the equation. We have 2x plus 5 equal to 9 minus 6 times square root of 2x plus 2x. This 3 minus square root of 2x whole square can be found out by using FOIL method of multiplying 3 minus square root of 2x times 3 minus square root of 2x, or by using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in this equation we have one radical left. So again, to get this one radical alone, we have to write the equation in this form. So 2x plus 5 equal to 9 minus 6 times square root of 2x plus 2x. So we have 6 times square root of 2x equal to 4. This will get by subtracting 2x from both sides of the equation and subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. So we have 6 times square root of 2x equal to 4. Now because the index of the radical is 2, to eliminate this radical by using the power rule, raise the power 2 to both sides of the equation. If you raise power 2, we have 6 square is 36 and square root of 2x equal to 2x and square of 4 equal to 16. Now 36 times 2x, which is equal to 72x equal to 16. So divide 72 to both sides of the equation. We have x equal to 16 over 72. By simplifying, we have x equal to 2 over 9.